Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome to our channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, feel free to take a second to subscribe to our channel, and also you can like this video. Now, yesterday mambo ilichemka pale GUSII Stadium, and here are the clear videos of what really conspired in GUSII Stadium the moment Raila Odinga stood up to address the congregation of Shabana fans who were in the stadium. And ladies and gentlemen, Fred Okengo Matiangi must be a very happy man whenever he is. The GUSII region, and I've always been saying this, that the GUSII region don't care whether Matiangi wants to run for presidency or he doesn't want to run for presidency. According to the GUSII people, in fact, they are saying that Matiangi must run for presidency. Yani wao ndo wameweka hiyo pressure behind Matiangi to stand for presidency. Matiangi has not come out to publicly declare that he's going to run for presidency, but watu wa Kisii wamesema lazima atasimama. Imagine how those people will be voting for you. People who are pushing for you to run. They are calling you to come out and declare. So there is that force behind the Fred Okengo Matiangi presidency from the Kisii people. Ladies and gentlemen, it's something that once you are a leader and you have a lot of people behind you pushing for you to run, is something that is very, very nice, and that's why Fred Okengo Matiangi, whenever he is a very good man. Maybe for the people who don't come from GUSII region, there is something that conspired to what happened yesterday. When Raila Odinga alikuwa anazunguka akienda county by county and he was seeking consultation from people before the KICC meeting where he came out to sign the memorandum between him and Ruto, Raila went to Kisii County where he met a few leaders from there who welcomed him, and they went to a closed door meeting and discussed. When Raila came out of that meeting, one of the journalists from GUSII region asked Raila that the Kisii people affronted Fred Okengo Matiangi for presidency. What is your opinion about Fred Okengo Matiangi? And Raila gave what the Kisii people term as a reckless statement, where he said that Matiangi cannot win presidency based on the GUSII vote. And that is the statement that has been trending within the Kisii county and within the GUSII people. And this is why yesterday they were very annoyed with the presidency of Raila Odinga in the Kisii Stadium. And especially now that Raila Odinga went ahead to sign that memorandum of agreement between him and President Ruto. Actually, if you watch those clips clearly, Raila Odinga was not even allowed to speak, and people could not listen to him. While he was speaking, some people were walking out of the stadium. That's how annoyed those youths or those Shabana fans, most of them who have been Raila Odinga supporters. Remember that Raila Odinga sometimes used to come to GUSII Stadium to watch Shabana matches, and the Shabana fan base could really cheer him, could support him. But once he made that statement towards Fred Okengo Matiangi, that's where things started going the wrong direction. I don't think even the signing of MOU between him and Ruto could have made the GUSII people react like they reacted yesterday. That reaction is based on the words or the opinion that Raila Odinga did give about Fred Okengo Matiangi. And according to Raila, maybe that was his generous or the honest opinion. But imagine if you went to Kisumu today and said that Raila cannot win the votes, or you went to Kisumu in the year 2021 and tell the people of Kisumu that Raila cannot win an election based on the votes of Kisumu or the Luo Nyanza alone. Those people will be very annoyed. That's what actually happened yesterday at GUSII Stadium. Ladies and gentlemen, and the people of GUSII are now urging Matiangi even to go ahead and work with the likes of Kalonzo Musyoka and Rigathi Gachagua. I can actually confirm to you today that if Rigathi Gachagua stepped in Kisii County or stepped in GUSII Stadium, people will be welcoming him. They will really cheer him, and they will feel that they will give him that respect, because Rigathi Gachagua has expressed interest to work with Fred Matiangi, and that's why the Kisii people are really feeling that it's time for them to consolidate their votes behind one person. Another reason why ile mambo ya jana ili happen during the donation, kuna wakati vitu ziliharibika wakati wa demonstration ya ile maandamano ya Gen Z. Now Raila Odinga donated people to government. Alipewa positions, and that one came out and said that he donated some people to government. Alipewa some positions, and especially the CS positions, which he gave to his support bases. Actually, the ones that went to his support bases were 4, because he gave 2 to Luo Nyanza, 1 to Oparanya, and 1 to Hassan Ali Joe of the coastal region. Now the people of Gusii region were asking themselves, why did Raila not give them 1 CS position of those he was given? Because they have been supporting equally, they have been supporting Raila Odinga, and that's why that's when they started pushing for the Fred Okengo presidency, and that's why the hashtags came Fred Okengo presidency, and they started even rallying behind the GUSII party that is affiliated to Fred Okengo Matiangi, that is called UPA. There's a party called UPA that is affiliated with Fred Okengo Matiangi. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2027, I want to give you a clear picture of what Kisii or GUSII region will be looking like come 2027. In 2027, assuming Fred Okengo Matiangi will be working with Rigathi Gachagua and Kalonzo Musyoka, regardless, even if he's not the presidential candidate, let's say he's the running mate to maybe Kalonzo Musyoka, the GUSII region are going to vote for that coalition. If Fred Okengo Matiangi will stand as an independent presidential candidate with some other people, that's where the GUSII people will be going. If Fred Okengo Matiangi is going to join the likes of Rigathi, that's where the GUSII vote is going to go. And remember, the GUSII vote is not a vote to underrate, because in 2022, the votes that President Ruto got and the votes that Raila Odinga got summed up to about 700,000 votes. That's not a small amount of votes. And remember that GUSII also, there are a lot of Kisiis all over the country. Nairobi, there are Kisiis who have been making Simba Arati governor when he was MP, when he was running for the Great North constituency. So Kisiis are everywhere. If you are the GUSII diaspora vote within Kenya, achana na ile ya GUSII na Nyamira, Kisii na Nyamira. If you are the Kisiis from the entire nation, their vote can sum up to 1.5 million votes. And especially when they will be coming out to vote for their own, watakuwa wanatoka, and the turnout will be very good. They can come up to 1.5 million votes. So it's not a vote you can underestimate. That's why Raila Odinga, after signing the memorandum at KCC, he went to his strongholds. He was in Luo Nyanza, then he flew to Kisii County to try and ensure that he's keeping his grounds intact. But unfortunately, Kisii reacted the way it reacted yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, that's but only my opinion. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll take my more time to read and give you a response. Do you think what happened in GUSII Stadium is the right thing for the GUSII people? And do you think that GUSII, for the first time, are going to consolidate their votes behind one person, and that's Fred Okengo Matiangi, or any other candidate? I'm waiting to hear your opinion in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen, and stay safe.